Okay, let's see what it would take to recreate our little tour of Honeyman State Park using Google Maps and doing it fully online instead of using Google Earth. So I went into maps.google.com and I have logged in using my Google login name. So once I'm here, I can click on My Maps, and that will allow me to create my own maps. So if I want to make a new map, I would click on Create New Map. I've already done that. So here's the map I'm working on. It's Honeyman State Park. And here it is. I'm zoomed in way too far. You might find that it's easier to work in the map view because then you don't have to wait for things to load quite as long. Okay, so here is my area, and I want to add that sand dune to it. So I'm going to go back to my satellite view so I can see exactly where to put my place mark. And I'm going to click on Edit to edit this tour. And that gives me 3 tools up here. And what I want is to grab this place mark and drag it down to where I want it and just click to place it on the map. And that gives me a little window here. These are my sand dunes. Okay, so I'm going to put in my description like I did before. And then I want to put my picture in. So I need to be in the HTML mode to put my HTML in. So I'm going to click on Edit HTML and move my text down a little bit. Okay, so now I need to go find that picture that I'm putting in, and I've got it saved right here. So I'm just going to grab that HTML code and go back to my map and paste my code in here. And I can add in my breaks if I would like. I'll just put in one for now. Now if I were doing this with a little more time, I would be sure to add my citation at the bottom, but for right now let's just click OK and we'll click Save and then Done. Okay, so now when visitors click on my tour, they'll see all of my links, and when they click on any one of those links, it will pop up with the window, and they can see the entire little interpretive sign. Now, you'll notice that this is not displaying as nicely as it did in Google Earth because I don't have as big a window. So what I would do is I would resize my picture before I did this so that I would have a smaller window opening up.